Welcome back to Asian Flavors. Today, we're making a warm, healthy, and flavorful Filipino favorite clam and patola soup. Perfect for rainy days or a light family dinner. First, we need 1 kilogram clams. Wash and rinse thoroughly. Soak in salted water for at least 30 minutes to expel sand. In a pot, heat oil over medium heat. Let's start by sautéing garlic, onion, and ginger until fragrant. Next, add 1 piece chopped medium tomato and sauté until becomes soft. Toss in the clams and stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes until slightly oaked. Add water or broth and bring to a boil. Skim off any scum that rises to the top. Slice patola and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until tender but not mushy. Don't overcook patola, it becomes too soft quickly. Fish sauce for extra flavor. Then salt and pepper to taste. You can add malunggay or sili leaves for more flavor and nutrients. And there you have it, delicious clam and patola soup. If you like this video, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more home-cooked recipes. Thank you for watching.